Hello everyone.
To them. It's not EFF, it's not the DA, it's not the IFP, it's no other party except MK. So they are trying all tricks. They're going to the courts, they want to stop MK from registering. But MK, please, ANC, listen. MK is Umkhonto weSizwe. You're talking about the Military Veterans Association, which the ANC disbanded years ago. It's not the same. You don't have a trademark on this MK logo. So what gives you the right to claim that MK belongs to you? You got no chance in court. But we are sending a loud and clear message that if these courts, which are sometimes captured, if they stop MK, there will be anarchy in this country. There will be riots like you've never seen in this country. There'll be no election. No South African will go to the polls if MK is not on the ballot.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has sent a strong warning to those who are planning to cause anarchy if the MK party is not on the ballot papers on the 29th of May. He said he'll take them to jail, and he's not playing, because there are channels to address issues if one is not happy with the outcome of the courts. He said he'll send them straight to jail because those people are enemies. The African National Congress has taken Umkhonto weSizwe to court over the Umkhonto weSizwe trademark following the registration of the party. The ANC's legal dispute centers on the use of the logo and trademark, which the party argues that the Umkhonto weSizwe party may lead the public to believe that the MK party is connected to the governing party. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.